Hey guys, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can set up Sofi account and get paid your referral fee. So let's get started. If you've been hearing about the Sofi referral bonus and wondering if it's real, the answer is yes. Sofi offers a simple, user-friendly way to start banking and investing, and they even pay you to give it a try. With just a few steps, you can open an account, fund it, and receive a cash bonus, all without monthly fees or minimum balance requirements. Once you're signed up, you can also refer others and earn additional bonuses for every new account. Here's how to get started and make sure you get paid. First, you'll need a referral link from an existing Sofi user. This is required to activate the bonus. Click the link, sign up, and select a checking and savings account, because the bonus only applies to this account type. Next, deposit at least $50 within 14 days of opening your account. You can transfer the funds from an external bank or set up direct deposit. Once the deposit clears, your $25 bonus will be credited to your Sofi account within 7 business days. After that, you can start referring others. Simply go to the Refer a Friend section in your Sofi app to find your personal referral link. Each time someone signs up with your link and funds their account, they'll receive $25 and you'll receive $75. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like, subscribe,